Yo, what's up? We're back on the channel, Rizicki Brothers Performance. Hope you all had a good holiday and New Year's. Hopefully this year will be better than the last. But we're here with some updates. We got the coolant system all finished up. Turned out pretty decent. So let's get right to it. Got the factory style coolant tank. It actually doesn't look too bad. Too cluttered or anything. All the hoses connected to it. Got the fan on. See, there's the little one of the little brackets I made. I got a little clamp on this hose because it was just jumping around and I didn't like it. And then we got the other little bracket right here. As you can see, it goes underneath this and bolts down with the bolt. And we got them through the radiator zip ties also. Soon we'll have to start filling it up with fluids. The HPS hoses are looking pretty sweet. I left this hose right here loose, so when I fill it up, that's where I'll bleed it. So when the coolant comes out of there, we know there's no air in the system. Heater hoses looking pretty good. Still got to wire up the fan. And as you can see, the little spots where I cut the tabs off, you really won't see that. Coolant system's pretty much done. Looks pretty good. Soon we'll be jumping on to all the steering stuff. I got some of the stuff laying back here for the Hydro Boost. Gonna try and use the factory 0304 Cobra lines. Got the power steering cooler. The intake, I have to get a 45-degree coupler. So it'll work out because it hits the radiator. And I got some wiring that I started on. The reverse lockout solenoid, I got some of the wires ran. Some of the wires right here for the Dakota Digital. The Dakota Digital box right there that I'm going to be installing next. Go to this side. I don't know if it's really needed, but I got it. The speed dial and the control pack kit that I have has the wiring for it. So I was a little confused on the wiring, but I just figured to wire straight into these wires. And I got added extra wires in case I gotta add it somewhere else. Got some of the wiring cut for the Dakota Digital that I gotta run to the gauges. You can see it's all cluttered in there. Gets a little hectic. So there you have it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. keep tuning in. We got plenty of more, because every time we move on to the next step, it seems like I gotta get something else for the swap. So for you guys doing this swap, just for you guys to know, when you move on to the next step, you're probably always gonna need some extra parts, spend a little extra money, it seems like, but that's what happens with the swap. So keep tuning in. Till next time, peace.